Hey everyone, and welcome! Today we're going on an adventure to see all the amazing landscapes of India. India is a huge country with so many different types of land. We have tall, snowy mountains, green plains, really old plateaus, sunny coasts, and even deserts. From the top of the Himalayas in the north to the tip of Kanyakumari in the south, India has it all. Get ready to explore these special places, each one like its own little world full of life and stories just waiting for us to discover. Our trip starts in the north, where the Himalayas stand tall and proud. These mountains are the highest in the world, with their snowy peaks touching the sky. Imagine millions of years ago the land itself moved, and that's how these mountains were born. The Himalayas are super important for India. They give birth to big rivers like the Ganges and Brahmaputra, which give water to the plains. They even control the monsoon, bringing rain to the whole country. And guess what? The Himalayas are home to amazing animals like snow leopards and beautiful rhododendron flowers. It's like a whole different world up there. As we come down from the mountains, we find the green plains of northern India. These plains are flat and wide, made by the soil carried by the Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra rivers. This is where most of India's food comes from, like a giant breadbasket. Life here follows the seasons, with farmers planting and harvesting food for millions of people. The Indo-Gangetic Plain is one of the most crowded places on Earth, and it shows how clever humans can be. From ancient cities like Harappa to today's busy cities, the northern plains have seen it all. Let's head south now to the Peninsula Plateau. This place is really old, with some of the oldest rocks on Earth. It's like looking back in time. The Deccan Plateau is a big part of it, famous for its black soil that's perfect for growing cotton. And guess what else? This region is full of treasures like iron ore, coal and even precious stones. That's why India has so many industries. We can't forget the Aravalli Range, one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world, standing silently and watching over time. Next stop, the coast. This is where the land meets the sea, creating beautiful coastal plains. Imagine long stretches of land along the sea, full of life and color. The western coast, called the Konkan coast, has amazing beaches, coconut trees and busy port cities. The eastern coast, called the Coromandel coast, has big river deltas formed by the Godavari, Krishna and Cauvery rivers. These deltas are super fertile, perfect for farming and feeding lots of people. But that's not all. The coastal plains also have mangrove, forests and coral reefs, teeming with sea creatures. Get ready for an adventure in the Thar Desert. This is a place of extremes, where it gets super hot during the day and freezing cold at night. But even here, life finds a way. You'll find unique plants and animals that can survive in this tough environment. Keep an eye out for the black buck antelope and the clever desert fox. The Thar Desert teaches us about survival, and the people here have their own special culture and traditions, living in harmony with nature. Our last stop takes us to the beautiful islands around India. We have the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. Each island group is like a sparkling jewel in the ocean. The Lakshadweep Islands are perfect for diving, with their coral reefs and clear blue water. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands have thick rainforests, amazing beaches, and even tribes that have lived there for centuries, almost completely cut off from the world. These islands are not just pretty, they protect India's borders too. And that's a wrap. We've seen so much of India's amazing landscapes, from the highest mountains to the sunny beaches, from fertile plains to dry deserts. Each region is special, with its own culture, traditions, and life. It's our duty to protect these natural wonders for everyone to enjoy. Don't go anywhere, because we have more incredible journeys around the world waiting for you. See you soon.